In the previous video about Amazon Associate, Hidemyacc guided you on how to register an account and how to get affiliate links for specific products. However, to be effective in Amazon Associate or affiliate marketing in general, you should have a website. Let's explore how to create a free affiliate website in today's video with Hidemyacc. Amazon Associate is an affiliate marketing program provided by Amazon. When you join, you can get links to specific products and place them on your website, blog, YouTube, or any social media platform you use. When users click on the link and make a purchase on Amazon, you will receive a commission. The commission percentage you receive will depend on the niche of the product you promote. Typically, it ranges from 1% to 10%. You can check the commission rate list on Amazon through the link in the description. Additionally, if you want more ideas for products to promote on Amazon Associate, you can use ChatGPT. For example, ask ChatGPT to provide a list of products suitable for the niches you are interested in. When doing affiliate marketing on Amazon, one important thing to note is that the cookie duration lasts only 24 hours. This is the period during which Amazon tracks the shopping behavior of users when they click on your affiliate link. If a user makes a purchase during that time, you will receive a commission for the product you recommended, as well as for any other products they buy during the same session. Once the time expires, the cookie saved on the user's browser will also expire. Next, let's talk about building an affiliate website. If you are part of a large, professional team or have an IT base, you can build it yourself or hire a third party to create a website for you. However, if you are a newbie with a limited budget, you can use free website hosting services like WordPress or Blogspot. In fact, these sites also have paid plans with advanced features. But at the beginning, you can still use the free plan and upgrade according to your needs. In today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to create a simple affiliate website on WordPress. First, you need to sign up for a WordPress account. You can register via Google, Apple, GitHub, or through email. Next, fill in the domain. Preferably, choose a domain related to the niche you plan to work in. You will have two options. One is to register your own domain. Two is to use WordPress's free domain. This part depends on your needs. If you don't need your own domain yet, you can still use the free WordPress domain with a WordPress.com extension. After that, proceed with the initial setup for your website. The first step is to name your site. This will be the title displayed on the Browser tab, Search Results, or when you share the link on social media. The maximum length should be 60 to 70 characters for the best SEO support. Next, choose a theme for your website. WordPress offers many free and paid themes. Just pick any theme, preview it, and if it looks good, click Active. The next task is to customize the content on the website to match your needs. For an affiliate marketing website that specializes in reviewing technology products with affiliate links, here are some pages Hidemyacc suggests for you. Home page. Product reviews, a compilation of product reviews categorized by different segments. Blog, to update the latest tech news or trends. About us. Contact page. The most basic pages will be Home, Blog, About Us, and Contact. To add a new page, go to the Pages section and select Add Page. After adding, you can start editing the content on each section. You can use ChatGPT to write the content. After filling in the content, click Publish to save it. For the product reviews and blog pages, the content displayed will be blog posts. To categorize, you need to choose a category for each section. Note that is one of Filter's posts belonging to any category in the list, while is all of Filter's posts that belong to all categories in the list. Next, create and publish posts on the page. You should also use plugins to help with SEO. Since the goal is to post SEO-optimized content to drive traffic to your site and get users to click on affiliate links. The more SEO-optimized your post is, the more likely it will rank higher in search results. Two popular plugins you can check out are Yoast SEO and Rank Math. However, these tools require a business plan or hire to use. You can also check your post's SEO using this checklist. Hidemyacc will provide the checklist link in the description. For content, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT, Grok, or Gemini to write blogs. And you can even ask ChatGPT to optimize the SEO of your post. To insert the affiliate link, highlight the text and click on this button, or use the shortcut Ctrl+K. Insert the link, and you're done. Before publishing, make sure to check the suggestions from WordPress on the right side, such as adding an excerpt or adding categories. Finally, click Publish to post your article. In addition to the SEO plugins mentioned by Hidemyacc, you can also check out e-commerce plugins like WooCommerce, WP eCommerce, BigCommerce, etc. Or plugins like Pretty Links, Affiliate WP, etc. to manage your affiliate links. When doing affiliate marketing on Amazon Associate, there are some rules you need to keep in mind. You cannot shorten Amazon product links using third-party tools, as Amazon already has its own link shortening feature. Third-party shortened links won't be counted. You cannot use links on private pages like personal emails, ebooks, etc. That's why you should create a website or post publicly on your social channels. Don't display product prices. For example, in comparison or introduction posts, instead of mentioning the price, you should talk about the main features, because product prices on Amazon may change. If customers buy the product at a different price than what you mentioned, they might feel deceived. Always disclose that it's your affiliate link so that customers are aware. You shouldn't use your own affiliate link to make a purchase, because Amazon can track that behavior. Lastly, avoid using multiple accounts on the same IP and device. In many videos, Hidemyacc has mentioned that Amazon can track when you're using multiple accounts and may block them if unusual activity is detected, such as creating fake accounts to click affiliate links. That's why you should use tools to create a separate environment for accounts like an Antidetect browser and proxy. Each Antidetect browser profile will have its own unique settings, allowing you to manage multiple Amazon accounts on the same device without getting blocked. Hidemyacc has just guided you on how to create a simple affiliate website with WordPress, as well as listed some principles for working with Amazon Associate. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to not miss the latest videos from Hidemyacc. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or contact Hidemyacc support via live chat for quick assistance. See you in the next video.